be a reality, man. Like, totoo nga yung sinabi nila na time flies so fast. At pati yung panahon, ang bilis talagang tumakbo. Like, to be honest, I was gonna be real to all of you na oo, napag-iwanan na ako ng panahon ngayon, pero hindi ko pwedeng gawin dahilan to para isuko to ngayon. Kasi malayo na yung narating ko eh. So, to begin with, this is the success, which is success, it have 5 phases na kung saan iba't ibang experience yung naranasan ko, iba't iba yung naramdaman ko. So, ito yung first 5 episode ng last 10 episode. To be honest, hindi ko nga alam kung paano umpisahan to eh. Kung saan ako mag-uumpisa kasi sobrang dami nangyari sa freshman year ko eh. Kasi this is success all about. Sa pagiging freshman ko last year and this year. Natapos ko na eh. And to be honest, I'm really proud of myself that nalagpasan ko na naman yung another chapter of my life. And to be honest, dito lahat nag-umpisa eh. Diba? Yung pangarap kong maging vlogger, dito rin nag-umpisa. So, parang dito sa bahay na to, dito nag-umpisa. And yung pangarap ko na someday I'll be successful is dito rin talaga nag-umpisa. Kasi dito ako lumaki. Like, to be honest, this was a very important place for me. So, let's begin. So, phase 1. The sudden loss. To be honest, ang daming pagkatalo na naranasan this freshman year ko. Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, hindi lang tatlo. Kundi sobrang daming pagkatalo na naranasan. And to be honest, those sudden loss, it teach me some lessons na, alam nyo, na makakapagpa-improve sa sarili ko. And I remember one time, nung screening ng student council before na yung linyang laban lang. Nasimulan na natin tong laban na to, kaya tapusin na natin tong laban na to. And to be honest, that point of my life, hindi ko in-expect na sasabihin ko yun. Kasi me, as a depression survivor, sabihin na natin na pagod akong lumaban. Pero lumabas sa bibig ko yung laban lang. Nasimulan na natin tong laban na to, kaya tatapusin na natin tong laban na to. Doon ko nakita yung huge improvement over time sa sarili ko. Sabi ko, kaya ko na palang harapin yung bawat laban na dumadating sa buhay ko without thinking kung matatalo ba ako o mananalo. Parang, I'm just gonna go through all of it. I'm gonna face it all. Kung ano man mangyari, bahala na. At least I did my best. Diba? And to be honest, yeah, those first loss that I experienced nung freshman year ko is yung pagkatalo ko sa student council. Talagang tinapos ko yung laban even though hinarap ko yung laban even though hindi ko alam kung mananalo ako or matatalo. Yes, we lost, but it's a great experience for me kasi na-express ko yung sarili ko, na-express ko yung gusto ko iparating sa tao at man, I'm really proud of myself that I faced a lot of people nung meeting the Avance. Like man, it was my not the first time, pero it was my first time speaking in front of a lot of people, a lot of students in front of me. And to be honest, yung first time ko na yun, not specifically first time, pero nung time na yun, sobrang kabado ko, like, parang nabubulol-bulol ako, like, man, is this it? Sabi ko doon, this is it. Whatever happens, happens. It is what it is. Doon ko talaga unang sinabi yung bagay na yun na yung sinasabi ko palagi sa inyo na whatever happens, it happens. It is what it is. Kung anong mangyari, mangyari na lang. Tatanggapin ko kung anong mangyari. Doon ko unang natutunan yung bagay na yun. At sobrang dami kong natutunang bagay na makakapagpa-improve sa sarili ko. To make myself better. And to be honest, nung natalo ako, I was devastated. Also disappointed to myself na parang sabi ko that time kasi depressed pa ako Sabi natin, nakukulangan ako sa ginawa ko. Like, I'm very disappointed to myself na parang hindi ko nagawa yung best ko. Parang hindi ko naparating talaga yung gusto kong iparating sa tao. Pero sabi ko, maybe this is not for me. Maybe being a student council officer is not for me. Kaya it's time to put down the pen and just be a normal student. Pero, unexpectedly, marami talagang bagay na hindi natin ina-expect na mangyari. And to be honest, yung sudden loss namin, or ko, as a student council candidate before is a huge thing for me kasi talaga ang dami ko natutunan bagay doon. Like, yeah, masters. I really miss them a lot. Hindi ko na kailangan isa-isa and I miss you all a lot. I really don't know how to express my feelings right now kasi hindi ko talaga alam kung paano. Ngayon, hindi ko na alam kung paano mag-express na nararamdaman eh. Kaya pagpasensya nyo na, naging immune to pains, pero I'm still the heaven that you know. Like, facing all of the things that parating sa akin, alam yun, even though I lost, even though we lost, kasi yung pagkatalo na yun eh, it's okay. Being lost in something that you are fighting for, kung matatalo ka sa bagay na pinaglalaban mo, okay lang yan. Bakit? Kasi, when you lost, there's a lesson. Kaya hindi ako natatakot na matalo, magkamali. Kasi, may lesson ako matututunan dun eh. And I have no hesitation kung matalo or manalo sa isang bagay na gusto kong ilaban. Pero behind all of those sudden loss is there was an